Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video, I'll show you how to install IPTV Smarters Pro to your Hisense Smart TV. If you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. So if you have a Hisense Smart TV, this is how to install the IPTV Smarters Pro. This is very easy. All you have to do is go over to your App Store, which should look the same like this because all Hisense Smart TVs have the same App Store. It's called the VIA App Store. And once you launch it, this is how it looks like. So I'm looking for Smarters Pro. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come over here and type in IPTV. So just follow attentively with me as I type IPTV. So I'm just going to type in this keyword and then we'll search. And we're going to realize we have the IPTV Smarters Pro. Here's it over here, the first option. So just click on it once, then it will bring you to the installation page or where you get the installation button. Here's over here. So what you do, just click install. The application is going to be installed to your Hisense Smart TV. So you're going to choose where to place the application on your Hisense Smart TV, and then you're good to go. You can go ahead and launch the application to see to it that it is really the application that you installed. So here's how to install the IPTV Smarters Pro. Very easy. The Hisense Smart TV, and also how to launch it. So once you go here, you can scroll down and agree, and then you'll be asked to log into or put in your login details because uh you need an account to use the application.